Do you love Greek yogurt but hate wasting it? This high-protein powerhouse is incredibly versatile, but freezing it can be tricky. Don't let texture changes stop you. We'll show you simple ways to preserve its creamy goodness and probiotic power. Greek yogurt is a nutritional superstar packed with protein for muscle, skin, and bone health. It also contains live probiotics, great for digestion. Freezing extends its shelf life, reduces food waste, and saves you money. However, freezing can alter its texture and flavor. Ice crystals might form, leading to a grainy or watery consistency upon thawing. But with the right techniques, you can enjoy perfectly preserved yogurt anytime. Ice cube trays are fantastic for portion control, especially for smoothies. This method helps prevent the dreaded grainy texture. Simply fill each compartment with yogurt. Freeze until solid, then pop out the frozen cubes. Transfer them to an airtight freezer bag or container for long-term storage. For larger quantities, or if you don't have ice cube trays, airtight containers are your best friend. Ensure the lid seals tightly to prevent freezer burn. Alternatively, scoop yogurt into a bowl and wrap it tightly with plastic wrap. Make sure there are no gaps. This creates a protective barrier against air. Freezer bags are excellent for protecting yogurt from freezer burn and odors. They also save space. You can freeze yogurt directly in its original container inside a freezer bag. For individual portions, spoon yogurt into small freezer-safe bags, leaving room for expansion. Label everything with the date and contents for easy tracking. Want to make yogurt bark or freeze larger flat portions? A baking sheet is ideal. Line it with parchment or wax paper. Pour your yogurt onto the sheet and spread it into a thin, even layer. You can add toppings like nuts or dried fruit now. Freeze until solid, then break into pieces. Be aware, this method can sometimes lead to more ice crystals. Always stir your Greek yogurt thoroughly before freezing for an even consistency. This helps distribute moisture and prevents separation. Label all containers and bags with the freezing date. Aim to use your frozen yogurt within 2 months for the best quality. Avoid mixing different batches before freezing, as this can lead to uneven textures. Frozen Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. Add cubes to your morning smoothie for an extra protein boost. Use it in baked goods for a creamy texture or make delicious yogurt bark. It's also a fantastic topping for overnight oats or a healthy dessert on its own. Knowing how to freeze it properly ensures you always have this nutritious treat on hand. Now you have all the tools to freeze Greek yogurt like a pro. Don't let a good tub go to waste. Start experimenting with these methods today. Share your favorite freezing hacks in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe for more food preservation tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides.